Good morning, everyone. Hi, it's me Shubhrajit, and you're watching Prexofa. So today, when in the morning I woke up and I found this disaster. My WhatsApp is down, and it's asking for an update, which I don't know what the fuck is this. So when I'm just clicking the update option, and it's directly going to the Play Store service, and like it's showing these two options, that uninstall and open. So what to do with these two things, I don't know. So because there is no update option in the Play Store, so I just read the comments over here, and a lot of people are having the same issue. But when I found out that this is actually working with some of the specific brands of phones, like Redmi, mine is Redmi Note 4. So I tried to find out some quick solutions regarding it, and the only thing I found out how to do is that you just go to the Play Store, and first have to do that uninstall your app. So they are asking for permission to uninstall the app, and you have to uninstall the app. So again, you will be having this option that install. So you should not install your app from the WhatsApp. The reason I'm going to tell you in the end. So just you have to go to your Google, search update, search WhatsApp. So, and you'll be seeing this second options over here, that download WhatsApp. So just quickly click on this download WhatsApp, and okay, it's not coming. So it have to go to yeah, this option, WhatsApp for Android. So I have to quickly click this one, WhatsApp for Android. As you can see that they're showing the please download the latest version of WhatsApp Messenger. So you have to do this, but before doing this, you just have to go to this one, Redmi. Like if you have one specific Play Store or specific app store for your device, so you have to go over there and go to tools. Like for me it's Redmi, so you have to go to Mi App Store, then you have to go to the auto update, sorry, you have to go to settings, and then you have to just quickly disable the auto update option. So after that, what you have to do, just again go to the Google and write WhatsApp. It's already there. So it is coming again, WhatsApp for Android, and just click download now. So I just have to give the permission, and let's see what's going on. Yeah, it's up, downloading. Yeah, it's, so you can see that all the specifications about this tablet devices are not supported for this one. So guys, let me tell you why this type of problems is coming in WhatsApp right now. Actually, that the latest version of WhatsApp beta, or the WhatsApp business version, is coming on, which they didn't launch yet. So they have sent up like a temporary stuff or something like that, that you have to install in your phone. So they have given some updates, but some of the people, you don't know about it. So that's why I made this video, and I hope you guys have liked the video. So again, you have to go to the your whatever storage and categories. So you'll be finding one APKs, and you will be seeing this WhatsApp APK. So you have to install this APK. Install. I think so, guys. You have to go to Explorer, and then APKs. So you'll be having this WhatsApp.apk. So I have to install this one. So again, you have just to like clear everything. It's not coming. I guess it's not coming because of this screen recorder is on. So it's all this informations are coming, so I have to just switch off the screen recorder. And the main thing is that you have to just install the shop option from this only. So I'm just quickly switching off the screen recorder. So guys, again I'm back. So as you guys can see, it's showing that app installed. So all you have to do is just install, nothing else you have to do, because my screen recorder was switched on, so you cannot like run two applications at the same time over there. So just have to click open, and as you can see there, this is the same thing, it's coming, and agree and continue. This is the WhatsApp's new latest business app. So just have to install this one to fix up the issue. Just have to click continue, allow, and then you just have to give your mobile number, and just have to do the same procedure if your data is having a backup. So just have to just download the data, media, whatever messages you have sent or everything, it will be just the same. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, just subscribe to my channel and like and share this video to all over the world, and I hope you guys have just did the same thing that I have told you. Okay, so guys, until the next video, goodbye.